Good morning, everybody. My name is Adam Handler. I'm your case handler. While Squeeze is fixing his computer, I will say happy Tuesday. Thanks for joining us. 93.5 FM listeners, Facebook followers, Instagram followers. We do this show every day. We call it Cruising with the Case Handler. I, of course, am Adam Handler. Once again, your case handler, the most celebrated personal injury attorney on this radio station. I've been on this radio station for nearly 17 years, since September of 2005. Just letting you know who I am, what I do, and how I do it. Sometimes Squeeze is on with me. Sometimes Squeeze takes the lead. Sometimes I take the lead, but that's what friends do. They pick each other up when maybe circumstances are a little unpredictable. We have a great show today. We had a client come in yesterday, pick up a $90,000 settlement check, which was a great accomplishment, considering that Geico, the insurance company for the other vehicle, sent us a letter when we first filed the claim that they would refuse to pay anything. They did not think that their driver was liable for the accident and therefore would make no voluntary payment. But guess what? When somebody tells the case handler no, the case handler always has to find a way. Her name is Dell. Oh, the name we used for her was Dell. And she came to me for that one chance to get it right. So I took that, as I always do, very, very seriously. We took it to court, and the judge awarded $90,000. So from a Geico no pay to a $90,000 award, Dell picked up her check yesterday. Let me give out my phone number a couple of times. Also invite you formally to check out the Case Handler on Instagram and check out the Case Handler on Facebook. We take great pride and put great effort into our social media campaign. Not because we just like seeing pictures of ourselves online. It's more to let you know that there's attorneys out there that do it very, very differently, that get not only successful results, but do it in a way in which the client really is part of the family. If you go on my website, thecasehandler.com, or if Squeeze is texting me right now, I don't even know what that means, Squeeze. If you go on thecasehandler.com, you'll see the successful results. If you go onto my Instagram and Facebook, you'll see real people with real problems and, of course, real solutions, because attorneys are always out there. You know, attorneys are great advocates. That's by nature our trade, to advocate, and a lot of them are advocating for themselves, saying that, you know, they're the best, and, you know, they can do this for you and they can do that for you. And while they're telling you all those things, I'm showing you how great I am, and I'm showing you how great I am with my social media campaign. So if I could just play a few testimonials and then figure out what the heck Squeeze is talking about, I think that would be amazing. So hold on one second. Here's Fitzroy.
One of Adam Handler client. He represented me back in 2011 on a case that someone ran in the rear of my car. And we take it to trial because we know we're going to get whatever I desire. Basically, he come out and go hard at the opponent and receive 100,000 right there. So you can trust him with your case. He's the man for the job. He stands up for you in every right way that possibly you think you deserve based on your pain and suffering. So go for Pollock and Pollock. Adam Handler, the case handler, people.
I love that one. That was Fitzroy. I represented him many years ago, a case we actually took to trial. This is probably over 10 years ago. And over the summer, he called me. He got into another accident, drives Uber, got into another accident. And of course, I was the first person that he called. In fact, speaking of which, yesterday, I had a client call me after 14 years. One of the first big cases I ever worked on, many years ago at my prior firm when I was an associate there. I forget the exact number, but it was over $200,000 that we recovered for him after he had gotten rear-ended by a dump truck. And I get a call from him yesterday, and I remembered exactly who he was, and I remembered his case. Not every detail, but enough of it to have a conversation about it. And, you know, he got into another accident recently on his way to work on the George Washington Bridge. And he had my number saved all these many years. It's a great, great honor when somebody after nearly a decade thinks of you as a professional that they can rely on, and would come back to you with their own case. Also, equally so, a great honor when an individual refers a client to me. I get calls every day. So and so referred me. They told me that you're really good. Can you help us out? This is the situation. And when a client refers a complete stranger to me, it's so humbling, because there's so many options out there, ladies and gentlemen. There's so many options as to the attorney that you could pick, the attorney that you can choose for that one chance. There are no redos in personal injury. You got one chance to get it right. And that's why we always say one chance, one choice. And of course, I'm your case handler. But again, I never ask you to take my word for it. I never ask you to take Squeeze's word for it, the other DJs on this radio station that have endorsed me throughout my career. That you should really take the word of those individuals that came before you, that never in a million years thought that they'd be on the George Washington Bridge, get rear-ended, and have to have another case, or, you know, trip and fall on the sidewalk on the way back from the Groovin' in the Park concert. This is Angela. She picked up a settlement check recently too.
Hey everyone, hi. Just want to co-sign 1,000% endorse the case handler. The case handler is the real deal. The case handler is where you get things done. The case handler, you will always get results. I 1,000, a million, trillion times endorse the case handler. You get compassion, you get reality, you get this thing straight. You 1,000, million, trillion times will get results with the case handlers. I thoroughly endorse this family. Bye.
That's it right there. That's everything right there, Squeeze.
Can you hear me now, man?
I can hear you. How did I do on my own?
You did pretty good, man. I don't see why you need me.
You taught me. Of course I need you, man. You taught me well. But
damn checks, man.
But that endorsement is everything, Squeeze. It really is. People like that, it just makes it all just so worthwhile.
That is true, man. I mean, listen, I could actually sit here and listen to testimonials and true success stories all day long. And I've realized over the past 25 years of radio, what really matters happens to be the testimonials that people give. There's nothing better than that. And that's the reason why I like the fact that you bring the testimonials on. We'd just love to get some more videos. I think that video that you did the other day was so
I did one yesterday. You want to see it?
Sure, why not?
Yeah, why don't you talk a little bit and I'll pull that up and we can play it. That was an awesome one. We did it yesterday.
So, ladies and gentlemen, I just want to say welcome once again to, of course, Cruising with a Case Handler. My name is David Aniki, and I am the chairman of Link Up Media Group of Companies. Adam happens to be a super attorney, a top attorney in the United States, of course, covering New Jersey and New York, where personal injury is concerned. He has settled well over $140 million for his clients in the tri-state area. We do appreciate that. And we want everyone to have his number. God forbid you get hurt in an accident. That number happens to be 844-774-3529. That's 844-PPIDLAW. I like giving out the number a lot. So let me do it two more times. 844-774-3529. That's 844-774-3529. Make sure you store that number in your smart device. And God forbid, once again, you get hurt in that construction accident, a trip and fall, the automobile accident. No matter what kind of accident, you may want to reach out to Adam Handler and find out if you have a case. 844-774-3529. Let's see and hear this testimonial over at Adam's office at 225 Broadway in New York City.
This is Dell. This is the case I was just telling you about. She picked up the $90,000 settlement check. This is a case in which Geico said, screw you. We ain't paying you anything. Take us to court. And guess what I did? Take us to court. Took them to court and won.
No audio.
Oh, sorry. Let's see.
Another big day here. I got.
Let me start again. Hello, everybody out there. This is Adam Handler, your case handler. Another big day here. I got Dell sitting to my left. Hey, Dell.
Hi, Adam.
How you doing?
I'm good. I'm happy today.
Why are you so happy?
Because I'm going on with my check.
Oh, today is payday.
Payday.
It's not just Monday, it's payday.
That's right.
Dell was in a serious accident many years ago. It was a case against Geico. After we filed the case, they sent me a very nice letter saying, for these reasons, we are unable to make payment to you. So this is a letter that Geico sent to me saying, your client is responsible for the accident. We ain't paying you anything. And guess what? Justice was served because we recently received a judge's award in the amount of $90,000.
Yeah.
$90,000 tax-free to Dell. She's picking up her check today. Look at that head shake. She's feeling good. Speaking of head shakes, look at that. The case handler bobblehead. There you go. So we're all shaking our head.
Yeah.
Happy. Listen, Dell, can you just do me one quick favor? Can you just let everybody out there know, how we handled your business here, what you thought of the case handler team, and would you ever recommend us?
Yes. This team, they were so efficient. They were family friendly. I mean, they called me even during the pandemic. The staff call and check in with me to see, if I needed anything, see if everything was going. And they handled this case very professionally and diligently. So I'm so very, very happy that I went with this team, and I will recommend this team to anybody, no matter what type of accident that you are in. Contact the man, Adam Handler.
Listen, results are all that matters. There's a lot of attorneys out there, but if you want what you believe to be the best possible attorney fighting for you and your family, because you got one chance to get it right, and that's why they say, do you know that this is what they say these days? One chance, one choice, one case handler. Dell knew the difference. Dell made the right choice, and Dell is walking home with a $90,000 settlement today.
Yes. So God be the glory. Thank God for the man. Man with a plan.
Who's the man with the plan?
Adam Handler.
You trust and believe that.
All right. Ladies and gentlemen, of course, that's Adam Handler right there, of course, with a true success story at his office. And I implore everybody, the most important thing to take away from this is, after you get the information, the phone.
What?
That. 844-774-3529. Never a dull moment on Cruising with a Case Handler.
Oh my God. Listen.
You want to be a DJ, man? Your name is not Kevin Crown, man. All right.
I don't know what. I don't know. I think my Facebook just jumped to an old movie or something. I don't know. But listen, this is what we do. We have a good time doing it. And as long as you guys know that Adam Handler is out there for you when you need me, then mission accomplished today. However pretty or ugly it is, as long as you know that Adam Handler, the case handler, will fight for you like family, then I've done my job and Squeeze has done his job.
Absolutely. Once again, folks, prior results do not guarantee a similar outcome, but note the number, please. Everyone out there on a very, 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 very serious note. Sound like Police Academy guy. Very, 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 very serious note. You all need the number 844-774-3529. Once again, personal injury. You get hurt in any accident, still make the call. All right, whether that be a construction accident, the bus accident, the car accident, the bike accident, the trip and fall, get hurt on a premise somewhere, make sure you reach out to Adam. 844-774-3529. And in the future, Adam, moving forward, turn the camera the next way when you are recording the testimonies. Thank you. All right? Not the long way. All right? Okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Anyway, folks, that's just us. We're just real people. We're not trying to be square like I won't call any show names on this show. All right? But anyway, Adam, you have yourself an amazing day, man. And just say, good morning, my neighbors.
Yes,
right.
Yes. Good morning.
All right. Anyway, thank you so much, Kevin Crown. Thank you so much, Zenmar, for actually putting us on 93.5 FM this morning and engineering this wonderful show, Cruising with a Case Handler, which is never a dull moment, which makes us so special. But remember, you need a personal injury attorney. 844-774-3529. Thank you so much, Adam. We'll catch up.
See you later. Thank you.
See you soon.
Bye-bye.